Welcome to the Prize Corner. Have you been lucky today? We have a great selection of plushies for you if you have. There is Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Foxy, and even me, the Marionette. Also, you can choose one of our various options for No one survives in this place. What was once a place of joy and friendship is now a dirty drain scabbed over with the blood of the innocent. Thanks to my friends and I, though, some not-so-innocent blood has been shed here as well. Now we act as guardians, protectors over this blasphemous place. If you are pure of heart, then you have nothing to fear. But if you are evil, vile, or malevolent, we will tear your limbs off and stuff you into a mechanical suit. Make no mistake, I am free. There are no strings on me. You have been warned. So trade in your tokens for prizes and have a Fazbear fabulous day.